Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well, and today I'm going to show you that what I have done with my room. And I was literally bored with my room from previous 2 years, so yeah, I added a little bit of spark in 2018, at the end of 2018 actually, and I'm quite happy with the result. And the main thing is I have done this only in 2000 rupees, and it's very cheap. You can also do this if you want to. And yeah, and now how the result is turned out, and I am really very happy with the result. So yeah, let's begin. So if I start from this corner, as you can see, there used to be a window, like right there used to be a window. I closed it. I didn't have much money to close it, so I used plywood that used to be in my home. Like, it was so useless, so I used that plywood to cover this window, and that carpenter took 600 rupees to close it. Then I painted it, and then I decorated with some pictures, some memories, the things I want with the people, that those who make me very happy. And this painting is also made by me, and some more stuffs, and this is also made by me. This is a bohemian wall hanging. And then in this corner there are more frames. These are also made by me. These are made by newspaper. This border is also made by newspaper. I will make a video that how to make it if you want me to. And then this is also made by me. This painting and this thing, these all are done by me. And also there is something in this ceiling. I have also made this. And the more interesting thing is this curtain. This used to be my mom's old sari, and I transform it into this curtain. I know my mom is gonna kill me after watching this, but I love it. I will manage it. I think she's gonna love it too. And about this part, there used to be some useless stuff in my home. This chair, nobody used to use this, so I took it and I decorated my room with this. And also this kettles and the other stuffs, I have also painted this. And there I have used some plants for decoration. And there are more frames and this painting and this mirror, and yeah, that's me. So yeah, that's it. So here is the entire room. One more time. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you like it, then please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And one apology, please don't mind, my room's lighting is not that good, and also I'm shooting with my mobile's camera, so it's not that HD quality, but I hope you literally get me that whatever I have tried to do. So yeah, that's it for today, and yeah, Happy New Year.